Textbook is for completing syllabus. And for fun and laughter it's play. But what if we could change this? At Vikalp, that's precisely what we do. We play and complete the syllabus. Our approach isn't limited to fundamental concepts like counting. We integrate play into the educational process for all concepts taught in school, from basic counting to advanced topics like trigonometry and complex satellite communication. All can be experienced, understood, and applied during play. We at Vikalp help you in doing this. We don't just provide the tools, we collaborate and play with you. We trigger curiosity and take you in a journey full of fun and laughter. And in the end, you complete your school syllabus. As we celebrate this International Day of Play, let's consider a different approach to school education. Ask yourself, how do you want to complete your syllabus? Let's pledge to embrace the power of play in learning. Let's protect, promote, prioritize play. Choose play every day.